Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install driver for Canon printer and the model number is IP110. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. This will take you to Canon website. Scroll down and here you can see printers. Click on printers. Click on PIXMA. And then click on IP series. Now over here you can see PIXMA iP110. Click on it. Scroll down and over here you can see drivers and downloads. Now you can go ahead and select your operating system. So if you are on Windows 7, select Windows 7. If you are using Windows 10, select Windows 10. And if you're using Mac, you can scroll down and here you can see different operating system for Mac. So select the operating system which you're using. For example, I'm selecting Windows 10. And then over here you can see the IP110 series full driver and software package Windows. Once you select Mac, it will go ahead and show you for Mac. Then click on select. Then click on download. Let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, run the file. Click on yes to allow. Now once the unzipping is complete, now click on next. Make sure the printer is on. And if you want a USB connection, you can select USB connection. If you want a wireless LAN connection, you can select it, then click on next. And you can select the access point connection which is recommended. Click on next. Make sure your printer is turned on. Then click on next and it will start searching for the printer, and then follow the on-screen instruction to connect your printer and you can start printing. So this is how you can go ahead and download and install the driver and you can connect your printer. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.